Yo, 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 YouTube, this is the OnFoot cinematic review of the Kevin Bradley AF2. Shall we go watch? So that was the cinematic on-foot look at the Kevin Bradley AF2, the second shoe that we've got in the Kevin Bradley pack. And I thought we'd have another quick look. I think that they are a stunning example of the AF2 shape, that Air Force 2 shape. Absolutely stunning from Nike SB. I can't wait. I've not worn these outside at all yet. I've got a little mark there. This is the problem. The big problem with white shoes is you don't, how have these got scuffs on them already? Camera 2, can we have a word? Like, look, that's got scuffs on it already. More around the midsole. So let's have another look at these shoes. Sneaker cam, SJ, come in close. I want to talk to people about this leather. I do. Now look, I hope that in the on-foot, you could see this leather flex and move, and look, I'm just going ever so slightly. Don't worry people, I'm not cracking the toe box yet, but like, look, now if we look at this, I can actually make this move. Now, I am no leather expert, don't claim to be a leather expert, but this leather here that they've used, this so-called tumbled leather, is soft. Like, SJ, can you see that? Like just watch it move. Watch it move there, like, it's really soft. It's beautiful leather, beautiful leather. But as we can see, like, obviously it's not the same on the toe box. I haven't scraped these yet. I'm gonna just run my nail just down there. No, that didn't take off. Slightly frightened, camera 2, about taking the paint off the top there. I know it's designed to do that, camera 2, but I am quite, I don't want to do it. Like, I know they're designed for it. So, SJ, and I know we showed that blue before. Hopefully you could see that hint of blue in that cinematic on-foot. It's, actually, while we're talking about our on-foot, I quite like editing them. In fact, I really like editing them and putting them together. I hope that you all see that they're slightly different from the usual on-feet that you might see out there. You know, oh, hello. Camera 2. We've got to add words with SB. So I'm just doing this. I'm just literally doing that. There's glue. What are we gonna do with Nike SB, eh? What are we gonna do? So yes, I was back to what I was saying, camera 1. So I hope you like what we do. I like putting them together. I like editing them like that. I know it's not your normal look, but I hope that you get to see the shoe in a slightly different light, while also just be vaguely entertained by what we've put together. I also, SJ, have you got me there on sneaker cam? Good. A little something, a little something. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So the dog, I don't know if you can see the dog there. You can see the dog. Couldn't remember the name last time. It's Jericho. So Jericho, I apologise for not knowing your name. I know now. So well done for making it on the inner sole of a shoe. Yes. So we're going to have another quick spin round. What have I done with these? There's just little marks everywhere. I blame the dog. I really do blame the dog. It's all his fault. It's usually his fault. He's usually got involved with something. Let's have another look. Like, I hope that they do more of these AF2s. These Air Force 2s, I really, really like this shape. I think if they're going away from that traditional Dunk, slightly heavier shoe, and into, you know, obviously we all know the Dunk Elite is a lighter shoe these days. I think this could sort of take us back to a little bit like what a Dunk used to look like. Obviously it doesn't have the perforated toe box in the same way, and it's got more structure to it with these rubber elements here and here. But I feel that this is probably the closest that we're going to get to a thick, chunky, Dunk-like shoe these days from Nike SB. So people, what do we think? Sorry, there's all kinds of rubbish on this desk today. So what do we think there, Camera 2? Do we like these? I'm thinking I'm giving them a big thumbs up. And if you like them there on Camera 1 and on Sneaker Cam, you could give them a big thumbs up as well. And just in case you're new to these parts and you've not been around here before, thanks for joining us. Thanks for all our subscribers who've subscribed recently. If you haven't subscribed, you could do it. It's just about there if you so feel that that's what you'd like to do. And if you really want to and you want to be part of the notification gang, you could do that, which would be fabulous, because then you'd know when we were uploading, which is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you haven't joined us on Sundays, we stream at 8 p.m. in the UK, which at the moment is about 1 p.m. on the Pacific coast, but could equally, if you're watching this late, could be 12 p.m. Pacific, which would make it roughly 3 or 4 p.m. on the East Coast, depending on whether we've hit daylight savings. There's one final thing that you could do for me, and this would really help us in the algorithm, really, really help us in the algorithm. I don't really know, it might work. If you see another one of the Pint of Stuff videos, in the suggested videos, if you could watch that would really, really help us, I think. I think then that helps Google and YouTube kind of link, oh yeah, that video is obviously connected with that video. So if you could do that would be awesome. Leave us a comment and we'll get back to you, and we do get back to everybody who comments, I think we do. Until next time, people, bye. Is that all right?